What are the planets?
It's a Earth. Earth, a Jupiter, Venus, Pluto. What? What's next?
Think of it.
It's a Pluto.
Okay, meron na.
Okay. Okay, that's in that there's so many.
Again.
No. Okay.
Sammy,
Okay.
go.
Venus, Pluto, Jupiter, Earth, Venus.
Meron na.
It's what's next?
Isipin mo. Alam mo naman eh.
It's a
Again. Ikaw magbilang. Ano yun? 7 yun.
it's a Earth.
Alam mo na lang.
Venus. It's a Pluto, Venus,
Ano pa?
Jupiter.
Ano pa?
Okay. 1, 2,
Kalimutan.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
Ano pa?
7.
Ma? What? Mars.
Mars.
Ano pa?
This is Mars.
The planet with the ring.
It's a Saturn.
Oh, Saturn.
And a Neptune.
Neptune. Galing.
What's next?
Ano pa?
Without ring also. The blue planet. Without.
The blue planet. The Earth.
Look like a Earth.
Oh, again. Ano yun? Go.
Saturn, Mars, Pluto, Earth, Jupiter. It's
V.
Venus. What do you call it?
The last one is Ma. Ano?
Matters.
Matters. Sino ba? Mar. Ano?
Mars.
Oh, Mars.
And
Okay na.
Neptune.
Oh, ayun, Neptune. Galing. Uy, wag mo sasaktan ka.
No way.
Ano favorite planet mo?
Earth.
Earth. Our Earth.
Yawa.
Saan tayo punta bukas?